What's up everyone, welcome back to Drone Dominator, the channel where we test the newest drones and show you what's actually worth your money. Today, we've got the EXO Blackhawk Pro, a drone that's been getting a lot of attention. Some people say it's one of the best DJI alternatives on the market, while others think it's just hype. So, is it really worth buying? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what this drone offers and whether it deserves a spot in your gear bag. The EXO Blackhawk Pro is designed for people who want professional-looking aerial footage without spending hours learning complicated controls. Right from takeoff, this drone feels stable, responsive, and surprisingly confident in the air. Whether you're filming landscapes, road trips, real estate, or your next adventure, it delivers smooth footage that looks like it came from a much more expensive drone. One of the biggest highlights is its 48-megapixel camera with stunning 4K HDR video. The footage looks sharp, colors are vibrant, and the larger sensor helps capture great detail even in lower light. Battery life is another major win. The EXO Blackhawk Pro can stay in the air for up to 53 minutes, giving you plenty of time to capture every shot without constantly landing to swap batteries. Flying this drone is easy thanks to GPS positioning, return to home, follow me mode, waypoint flights, and obstacle avoidance. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced pilot, these smart features make every flight smoother and safer. If speed is what you're after, Sport mode lets the drone fly at over 35 miles per hour, while slower cinematic modes help you create smooth, movie-like footage. The best drone isn't the one with the longest feature list, or someone looking for premium drone performance without stepping into the highest price category. The EXO Blackhawk Pro is definitely worth considering. Overall, this drone delivers excellent camera quality, long battery life, smart flight features, and dependable performance. It has everything most creators need to capture professional-looking aerial footage. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new upload from Drone Dominator. Drop a comment below and tell me which drone you want us to review next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.